Hi there, Reggie over here at Awesome Chevy, Buick in Chehalis. Today we're going to be showing you where you can locate your spare tire in your Chevy or other GM SUV. You're just going to want to open your trunk hatch, and then it will be located underneath the deck panel in the back. There's a storage lid here. You can look in your safety manual to figure out how to get it out, but it's kind of self-explanatory. Just going to loosen this up. And there you have access to your spare, the jack, and everything you need to change your flat. So that's where you're going to find your spare tire. If you like the video, please just subscribe to follow us if you have any more questions.